Hello friends, Oindrila from Morpunk Design, Craft Adda, New Delhi. Today is a very nice and a happy day. We had a beautiful, puja at our home, and that's something which I was planning for a long time, and we could do it. And thanks for my friends who actually very encouragingly participated, and we had a very nice time. So there are these batiks which I have created recently, and there were a lot of queries and a lot of discussions, lot of I mean uh, keenness to see how kind of what kind of batiks we have made. So the first one in this is a pure chinon silk, pure chinon, 60 grams. Chinon is a fabric generally we get it and woven in Kashmir. It's Kashmiri chinon. So it is basically a 60 grams pure silk chinon fabric, which I have designed in batik. So it is wax resist batik. So this basically the painting, see, these patterns have all been created from wax, covering them, then coloring them. These are all wax dots. These are all wax dots. This border we have left it, which has been covered with wax. So this is the sari, this is the pallu. Absolutely lovely, and it's like kind of state of art fabric with beautiful fall and beautiful color combination. So that's the pallu, that is the pallu and the sari, the print, this this design is in the first half of the sari, which is 2.5 meters, and the next half of the sari has this pleats. These pleats, this is the pleat color, extremely beautiful lavender shade is the pleat color, and so that's the pleat part. So the pleats will come frame from this. So that's the pleat, and that's the palla, that is the palla. So it's like this, the whole sari, the inside part of the sari has this kind of a design. And so this is, can you see a sheen on the sari? Can you there is a sheen which actually says, these are all twisted yarns. Chinon is basically woven through twisted yarns, twisting the the pure silk fiber. So it is a twisted yarn, and this part is the blouse piece. So this border will come on your blouse, either on your back or in your sleeves, and so this is the blouse part. The chinons, the price of the sari 9,250 rupees. So this is one only I have made in chinon, pure silk chinon. I would show, I have done something on viscose georgette. Now there is a big question on what exactly is this georgette. This georgette is a viscose fiber. Viscose fiber is a naturally available fiber which is chemically processed. Viscose is a natural fiber which is chemically, it's a cellulose. It's come from plant cellulose. Viscose actually comes from plant cellulose, and then they are chemically processed. In processing, there is nothing natural about it. There are chemical processing to this fiber, and then we make this fiber, and this has this kind of a, this has the texture. Can you see the texture? This has this kind of a wrinkle, like this is the wrinkly wrinkle texture, which is between it looks like chiffon. It has a chiffon texture, but a body depth of a georgette. It has a chiffon texture. Can you see the wrinkly texture? So it has a chiffon texture and a body depth of a georgette. So it's basically, it's a heavy fabric. It's 60 by 60. We call it 60-60 georgette. So this is the beautiful blue Macao palla. This is a beautiful blue Macao palla. See the light crack on the body, light crack. So it's another, extremely beautiful sari. And the whole sari has this, absolutely ready to wear anywhere, sari. So these are that's the pleats. See how beautiful the pleats will come, and how sensuous is the sari, how sensuous. See, that's the palla. So that's the whole sari. The whole sari has this kind of patterning. So this is for people who I have designed for people who like light shades. So this is the blouse piece. The blouse piece has this kind of a border with the crack border element, and so this is the full blouse piece. So that border comes in one side. So actually it is quite a long one, so you can place it on your back or on your sleeves. So that's the blouse piece. See the mauve shade, absolutely mind-blowing mauve shade. Georgette is completely very nice, very beautiful, and the best part is that it has a, since it is a close cousin of, closely related to the Georgette look and feel and chiffon get up. So it has, see, a sheen is there, a little sheen is there. So that's the thing. And so the pricing as for a pure Georgette, and this is just half. So this sarees are priced at 5800, 5800. Beautiful. So that's the whole palla batik painting. Sari number 2 in viscose Georgette, we call it VG 6060 or VG 4040. So I always tend to use the good quality one. So that is a giraffe. This is a basically animal series, animals and flora and fauna actually. So this is a giraffe. It's an African, African getup. This is a giraffe on the palla. I think it's prominent. See, that is the giraffe painting and the whole body. So this is basically a little bit of work on the border, simple work on the border. The color combination, it is African, the forest in Maasai and all, they have this kind of a yellowish brownish look of the forest more than greens. So that's the forest color combination I have tried to give in. The whole sari has this kind of a get-up. The whole sari has this kind of a get-up. So that's the pleats. That's the pleats. Beautiful length and beautiful width of the sari. So it's actually already started getting picked up from my studio. So I thought that quickly let me do a video and save few for you guys, because online people can't even approach to my video because they stay far. So that is the thing. This is the blouse piece. This border, this can come on your border. So that's the whole sari. This is the blouse piece, and that is the whole sari. So these sarees are priced at 5800 plus shipping. 5800 plus shipping is here. Can you guess what kind of bird I have given here? These are flamingos. These are flamingos which I have given. Beautiful patterning of the palla. This is the palla. Lovely flamingos, and see, it's a flesh tint color, peach flesh tint color in the body. So the border I have just given an abstract zigzag. So it's all done with the wax effect. It all done with the wax camouflage and masking. Sorry, not camouflaging. It's called masking, white wax masking. So the whole sari has this kind of a crack getup, this kind of a crack batik getup. So viscose Georgette is a lovely fabric, and I keep working on these ones. So that's the whole that is the whole sari. That is the whole sari. And so this is the flamingo, and that the whole sari has this kind of a beautiful one, lovely one, and the whole sari has this kind of an abstract African art border. So this is the blouse. So this abstract thing is coming in on your blouse sleeves. And so that is the blouse. So it's a navy blue. It's basically midnight blue. The color of the blouse is midnight blue. It is not black. So that is the combination. 5800 is the sari price. Another sari, another Georgette combination, viscose Georgette combination with batik is this one. So this is another. This is these are the two storks. These are the two storks. Can you see such beautiful storks? Beautifully painted storks like this. They are on the palla. So they are on the palla. So that's the whole body of the sari. That's the whole body of the sari. So, this sari is available. I have created this sari in organza also. So, if anybody is interested for the organza in this kind of a patterning designing, I will show you. So, I was trying to, I do various designs on various fabric, whichever turns out the best and whichever turned out beautiful. I always keep, designing like that. So, that's the body, that's the body look of the sari. So, this is the body look of the sari. There are lotus, basically this is given a lotus pond look for the whole sari. Actually the whole sari has this kind of a lotus pond look. So that's the pleats, and that's the palla. See the leaf patterns, everything is so nice, so skillfully done. So that's the blouse. Now the blouse back, you have this this motif on the blouse back. This motif will come on the blouse back, and sleeves plain. So just this one. Okay, so this is sari, and the last in this series, the last in this viscose georgette batik is this one. So this is a lotus pond. This is not this is a lotus pond. This is not on this doesn't have any fauna. This has only flora and water. So another very beautiful water effect and batik pallu, this beautiful lotus pond combination. See the cracks and everything has a majestic look, lovely one. And so this is sea green in the body, the upper part of the body. The lower part of the body has this kind of lotus pond, this kind of this kind of painting work like this. So the lower part will have this painting work, and the upper part has this the cracks and the blue border. It's a lovely teaming with the sari. So this is the one. See, this is the whole sari. This is the whole sari. Very beautiful, extremely beautiful, extremely beautiful. See, that's the whole lower border has this in spacing. I have put this, and the blouse painting is this blue. This is towards navy blue. This blue is towards navy blue. That blue was midnight blue. So this also has a back motif like this, this kind of a lotus motif like this, and the blouse. So these sarees are all with the blouse, and these are priced at 5800 plus shipping. Another viscose georgette. I keep working on viscose georgette, but this is hand painted. This one is hand painted. We have we created a series. Now this one is there. This one is available. So this sari has the uniqueness of this sari is that it has a block and a painting effect. So the border, can you see the block? Can you see the block on the palla? Very nice subtle block. Yeah, so this is the block. Very nice subtle block. So these are the hedges. These are the hedges which I have actually hand blocked on the sari, because I have given a floral painting in the body like this. So this is basically the I have given a border as hedges, and this is satin finish on the facing, on the reverse side facing, so that it stands nice. The sari stands nice. So that's the body. That's the body of the sari, and the whole painting comes like this. The full half 2 meters, full 2 meters full painting, and then the lower part has this kind of a border, which actually gives a beautiful painting. See, beautiful hand painting. So the lower part has this kind of a border, which is actually the pleats. The pleats will come from this. What I have done is that I have teamed this Ajrak modal silk blouse, with this sari. So see how unique it has become. It has become completely unique. The sari has become extremely unique. So this is the modal silk blouse, And this is the sari. So see the colors and everything, the gray tone, the color, the golden tone is so much matching with the blouse. See the blouse, very nice blouse, semi-stitched blouse, which can go up to 46, and the length is 16. The blouse length is 16. So that is the sari, and blouse is priced at 7800, 7800. So the sari and the blouse is priced at 7800. So that's the whole sari. So it's basically, the sari is like this, extremely beautiful. So that is the whole sari. Okay, yeah. Another beautiful, this is Georgette. This is also a viscose Georgette. This is also a viscose Georgette, which is with Sozni, Kashmiri Sozni work. This is with Kashmiri Sozni work. So, so this is like, this is a little on the translucent category. This is a little lightweight Georgette, so it is a little translucent, but the work is amazing. This pink Sozni work is just amazing. See the Sozni work on the palla. See the work on the palla. See. Absolutely beautiful chinar leaves, completely hand done, So that's very nicely done. This border, and this this thin border is running all along the sari, with this pleats having the embroidery, the heavy embroidery again on the pleats. So the pleats has this embroidery pattern, and the whole body of the sari has small motifs. This is the embroidery on the pleats. So the pleats will have this embroidery. See, beautiful. It's very beautiful. Whoever likes black color can just go for it. And this is the small motifs, this is the small buttas, all in the sari. The whole all over sari has this butta. So this is the border, this is the lower border in the pleats. The lower border 2 meters, this border comes, then the butta, and so that is the sari. What I have done is that I have given more charismatic look to the sari, giving a pen kalamkari blouse piece. It is a pure natural dye pen kalamkari blouse in chenure silk. So I have teamed this blouse piece with the sari. So when you wear this blouse with this Georgette, which is with chinar leaves from a Kashmiri, Kashmiri beauty. It's a Kashmiri beauty. How beautiful it will look. So that's the combination, and the sari and the blouse costs 5500. It's a throwaway price for the sari and the blouse. 5500 plus shipping. This is a chiffon. This is a chiffon, not pure. This is also a blended chiffon, which has handcrafted shibori pattern. And what I have done is that I have given a beautiful block print along with the shibori work. So these are leheria. This is basically a Jaipur leheria. I have given a beautiful palla look. See the palla. This is all I have done, a block print on the leheria. In the middle of the leheria. And this is the block print I have given on the border. So it is like this. Very, very fanciful sari. Very pretty and fanciful sari. Perfect for the summer season. This is very beautiful for the summer season. And I have given a beautiful lace also. See the lace, a beautiful pearl lace. See, pearl lace, lovely one. So this is the sari, and when you drape it, it will look, leheria are always all-time famous saris, so there is no question on how the leheria would look. So this would look very nice, and these are all, the rain, the monsoon special, the monsoon saris, and we can always put this kind of a leheria, and we can call it our monsoon in Delhi. So this sari, and I have given this silk by cotton blouse piece with this silk by cotton blouse piece. Just make a halter blouse or a sleeveless blouse or some, I mean, any kind of very fanciful smart blouse with this, and see how beautiful it will look. So this sari plus blouse is priced at 3200. So this is the sari, and it's ready for this today, for the georgettes and chiffons, and let you decide which one to go for. Thank you so much.